Una, hindi naman confirm na merong warrant of arrest issued. I was calling him, I believe, 3 days ago, just to give some moral support, being a former colleague or comrade in arms sa PNP. Pero he was not picking up. And the following morning, I noticed na meron siyang missed call sa akin. So I hope we can talk just to give him some advice. Hindi para magtago, kundi para how to go about facing criminal charges, because sa kanya something time around, this is more challenging for him kasi international criminal court. Well, marami sanang how to go about yung pagharap niya, kasi I think he knows it naman kasi galing naman sa PNP. But yung my own personal experience or experiences, gusto ko ibahagi sa kanya para lang not for anything not for anything but within the bounds of the law and rules ng International Criminal Court. Hindi pa naman siya nakadecide kung magtatago That's, kung mag-decide siya magtago, tuturuan ko siya kung paano magtago. Hindi, joke lang. Anyway, that's on the law enforcement authorities to look for him. It's his choice. Ang problema niya, kasi in my case, kasi local courts, applicable yung Tulyaw versus Miranda. And in essence, sinasabi doon, even if the respondent is not under jurisdiction, legal jurisdiction of the courts, pwede pa rin mag-file ng mga pleadings. In his case, it won't apply. So hindi under, so yung kanyang warrant of arrest will stay, probably pwede ma-archive, but nandoon yon. In my case, while I was on the lam, nakapag-file ako ng mga pleadings which led to the dismissal of the case that I was facing at the time. Limited kasi yung Constitution is very clear on the matter. First, kung less than 6 years yung penalty, may immunity from arrest when Congress is in session. Yun ang mga limitations. Kaya kung hindi in session ng Congress, hindi maabil yung immunity from arrest. And yun nga, 6 years or less. But we in the majority, support the pronouncement of the Senate President. As long as he is in the Senate premises, at least man lang yung courtesy na wag gawin dito yung arrest. Well, if it comes to that, then we will have to tackle it, and probably kanya pa rin call yun But he can stay in the Senate premises forever, kasi something has to give way then, and yung Constitution, being the fundamental law of the land, will prevail. Kasi very clear naman doon na hindi lahat ng alleged offenses, hindi lahat ng crimes covered ng immunity from arrest.